here to the student who was in Jobortunity. She was renting our home, and she when I was in streets, I was nothing to do. I'm all animal keeping, like animal. So I was in doing my things and cultivate culture, make necklace in Maasai. Yeah. And I got information to the one of students of the opportunity. She told me there is something like this and you can do this and maybe you will do this. I can say okay, I will.
For the first one, I hear at church in the Chakeren Vineyard Church for the first one. Then after English course, I was being interested to learn about high five for the 1 year.
Me, I heard my friends at the street, and he tell me about Jobortunity, and I would like to join Jobortunity, and I'll go directly to Jobortunity, and I take a form, and fill the form, and then I'm coming to Jobortunity.
For myself, I hear at the street. One day I was making just a stroll with my friends, and they can ask for me, what are you doing now in the street? And I answer them, oh, now I'm nothing to do in the street, so just I do like a cash work in the street. And they convinced me to join with the Jobortunity. They told me, there are one college calling Jobortunity, so you can join over there.
First of all, I told me about high five, and I would like to join about high five. And then you can tell me about to get a job, and not stay to the village street. And I like it because I don't have a job, and go on the Jobortunity and get a job. Now I'm helping to be one of the graduates of Jobortunity.
If I think about Jobortunity, first of all, I say thank you, God, and thank you, my friend, who convinced me to go there. Because if I look now, my future life is different with the before go there. So everything which I get from Jobortunity, I see the good result in my life for now. So I can say something for my friends in the street. I can convince them to go there and to join there because I'm already see the fruits from Jobortunity.
For sure, I think the little finger is very important for me because for the last time, I didn't know everything about Jobortunity and about everything in the service. So I was suffering to learn a little bit from when I was came in Jobortunity. So I was learning a little bit, but now I think I grow up because of Jobortunity. Because for the last time I was having very, very fear before. I didn't have confidence. I can talk with someone for using English because I was thinking like I don't know anything, so I can't talk too much. Like I don't know what I can explain, but I didn't know anything, But now I was using this finger to get confidence, to be who I am now.
The first time when I was joining at the Jobortunity, it was difficult for me because before joining to Jobortunity, I was in the street. The behavior of the street and the school is totally different. The first time I was drunk in the street, I was smoking marijuana. I joined with a bad group, you know. But
me a little finger.
Okay. Why little finger?
Because when you come with the opportunity, I don't know anything about cooking, any experience, I don't have it. But when I come here, I start to learn a little, but now I'm growing up. I take a lesson from you, take little but a smart step. And then when you come here, and then take a little but in a smart step. And then growing up, and then now I know to cook.
Little finger.
Yeah.
As friends explained to you, I'll take little, but I'm in a smart step.
Yeah.
And the other one is middle finger. Stand up and be proud. I'm proud of myself because I know now I'm a chef and I'm working. And I get more experience day after day when I'm working in the kitchen. And I'm proud for the place where.
First of all, I like the friends of trainer of Jobortunity because he's a friend of all students there, and I like the way he train students, and the way you can get a feedback how you can doing, how you can manage your time, and I like that.
I'm always ambassador of the opportunity because the opportunity is it's not like another institute. It's training about how to quit a job and how to get a job and how to quit a job. Hey, I was thinking maybe when I was there I'm going to cook because I would like to be chef. It's not like that. It was hard time to understand, to living in high five behavior because it's training people to be high five. So I hope it's a big thing, I know, but we have to training ourselves time to time. I know we grow up. That's why I know many people has no high five, and I'm the one who is ambassador. And I have a friend of me, and I think in the last class in this time. Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, yeah.
Can you give me an example?
Yes, of course. Because I remember when I came here, was very very difficult, and it was have to get a punishment later. But I remember the manager was here as Thomas. He told me that now you grow up, now you're making good job. I think it will give you the contract before you finish your apprenticeship. So it was good. Was good news for me. And after that, there is main guest. They give me a compliment for my service, for sure, and also for my boss.